In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect apps to your Discord account. So let's say you want to connect your YouTube channel, you want to connect your Roblox, Xbox, PayPal, like Spotify, a lot. You can connect to them on your Discord account. Let me show you guys how to do that. Launch your app like this, tap on your profile here, drag this here, tap on the setting button here, you can see on top beside the nitro. I tap on that here, you can see here. So I tap on my connections here. Good. So I tap on my connections here, you can see my PS, my Xbox, my everything, your Steam, your Twitch and everything. So you just need to tap on that and then proceed on adding it by logging in. So when you tap on the 18 plus, that's when you're going to get your PayPal, your YouTube, your TikTok, your Steam, everything, yeah. You get it, League of Legends, your YouTube and all that. So let me use YouTube for a tutorial. So I tap on that here. They're going to redirect me to a new page for me to log in. So that's it. It will tell you blah 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 login. I'm not going to do that. So that's it on how you can add apps to your Discord. Now come back here. So after you add them, you're going to see them at your authorized apps here. Good. So I've added no app here, so there is no authorization here. So from here you can remove them if you want to remove them after adding them. Yeah, you can remove them. So that's it on how you can add apps on your Discord account and remove them as well. So if you're new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.